In my hand here, I have the Yun battery charger. It is a different form factor than any other battery chargers I own. It has this little flip top lid and the batteries go inside here, and it is cylindrical shaped. I'm gonna check this out, see how it performs. That's coming up on ThriftyAV. This Yun battery charger is different than any other battery charger I own. It has this unique cylindrical shape. It holds two 18650s, two AA's, and two AAA's, and it'll charge all those at the same time. It can also be used as a power bank. Wait, this is out of the box. Let's back up and check out the unboxing. Okay, here we have the Yun Smart USB multifunctional charger. Charges 1.2 volt nickel metal hydride or NiCad, 3.7 volt lithium ion, sizes AA, AAA, and 18650. You can use this as a power bank when charged lithium ions are in here, and there is an LED emergency light. Here is the instruction manual. Looks more like a little cup than anything else. Hit the button and there's where you put the batteries. And here is a micro USB cable. You need to have a 2 amp power adapter when plugging in this unit as a charger. Each of the USB power ports on this power strip is 2.4 amps, so that should be adequate for this purpose. Okay, here I have two 18650s. I got two rechargeable nickel metal hydride AA's, and I got a couple of nickel metal hydride AAA's. So I'm going to try charging all of these at the same time. All these I thought had been fully discharged, but it looks like the 18650s have a little bit of charge on them. It says 25%. Before I plug this in, this is where I will be charging it. If I want to use this as a power bank, here is how I would access it as a power bank. It said 25% a few minutes ago, and now it's down to 0, so no charge on anything in here right now. Let's go ahead and plug this in and start my timer. Okay, I am now 12 seconds into this charge, and this is the AA's, this is the AAA's, and this is the 18650s. I'm going to see how long it takes to charge each of these when I have 6 cells in here at the same time. Of course, the lowest capacity cells should be the ones that charge up the fastest, and that was the case. The AAA's were fully charged after 4 hours and 27 minutes. The 18650s followed just past the 5-hour mark. The AA's took the longest at 6 hours and 43 minutes. Now that the cells are fully charged, all 6 of them, then we see all the indicators fully lit up. All right, when I unplug it, okay, everything went dark, but I can hit the power button and you can see that the 18650s are now lit up again. This is now ready to use as a power bank. All right, to use it as a power bank, I'm going to plug in right there. And now I'm charging up my phone using the Yun as a power bank. I'm curious to see if this will work if I take out one of the 18650s. In fact, I'll take out all the ones that are fully charged now. And take out one of the 18650s. And indeed, I am still charging my phone up using this as a power bank with just one 18650 cell. I have a couple of 18650s in here, but nothing's plugged into it right now. If I hit the little power button, then the capacity shows up. I went ahead and hit this timer as well because this capacity indicator is going to go dead shortly here. All right, the capacity indicator dimmed and then went dead at about just after the 20-second mark. When this charger is not plugged in and you put batteries in it, you will get capacity readings briefly on all 6 of the indicators. but then only the lithium ions stay lit when it is in power bank mode. And one more feature, if I long press the power button here, an LED turns on and stays on until I long press the power button again. And the capacity meter is staying lit up as well. Now you can power off the LED by hitting the power light or opening the lid. And when you close the lid again, the LED is off. I currently have the micro USB cable plugged in and batteries in here. So I'm in charging mode right now. And I'm wondering what the power button is going to do while I'm in charging mode. And it turned on the light just like it did in power bank mode. Now let's pop this lid open with the light on. And the light stayed on because it's powering through this micro USB cable. Now you might think you can charge a 10440 3.7 volt lithium ion in here because the 18650s are lithium ion. But the slot that holds AAAs, even though this is the same size as a AAA, these are not going to charge a lithium ion battery. These are only for nickel metal hydride and NiCad. The cylindrical shape of this charger makes it fit well in a car cup holder, making it an excellent choice as a travel charger. One of the biggest advantages to this YMEUN battery charger is the portability and the fact that everything stays inside of the cylinder here. And the shape of it lets me keep it in the cup holder in my car. So this is definitely going to be the battery charger that I use in my car. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel. And remember, stay thrifty, everybody.